Welcome back to the vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make an apricot sour. This apricot sour recipe came off the Marionette Apricot Brandy liqueur label. I really like this liqueur and the rest of their range, so I'm pretty keen to try it. I will be giving away a bottle over the next couple of days. Make sure you stay tuned for the Hotel National cocktail later sometime this week. And speaking of competitions, congratulations to Frankie T, the winner of the Curious Bartender's Guide to Gin. I'll be emailing you shortly. So let's get down to business and start by mixing a whiskey. So 40 ml, 1 1/3 ounce of your preferred whiskey. Use a bullet, make smart, or whatever you have lying around at home. Followed by an apricot brandy, 20 ml, or 2/3 of an ounce. Then you have your fresh lemon juice, 25 ml, just a little bit above that, 5/6 of an ounce. Followed by simple syrup, 10 ml, 1/3 of an ounce. And an egg white. So, well, this is actually half an egg white. And then make sure you dry shake to emulsify the egg. And after you dry shake, add some ice and reshake it again. About 12 seconds. That's the ideal time to add dilution and aerate the drink as well. I'll probably edit that out. That Steve guy is such a wanker. And this one I'll strain over fresh ice into a double old-fashioned glass. And finish it with a dash of aromatic bitters. So there you have an apricot sour. Cheers. That is absolutely wicked. That is really tasty. The apricot brandy complements the whiskey. I think this is my new whiskey sour go-to. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. Yay! 17 takes to get out a sentence. Woo! Ready?